Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing the Nuwave Flex Precision Induction Cooktop, a powerful portable induction burner designed for fast, accurate cooking with responsive temperature control. Unboxing and first impressions. Right out of the box, you'll notice the sleek black shatterproof ceramic glass surface that's both stylish and easy to clean. With a 10.25-inch cooktop area and 6.5-inch heating coil, it's compact enough for small kitchens, RVs, dorms, and countertop use, yet large enough for everyday pots and pans. Performance and temperature control. The core feature here is precision temperature control. You get 45 temperature settings from 100 degrees Fahrenheit up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you surgical control whether you're simmering sauces or searing steaks. There are also 3 wattage power levels, 600 W, 900 W, and 1300 W, letting you balance between gentle heat and high-speed cooking. The induction technology heats cookware directly, meaning faster heat-up times, cooler counters, and less wasted energy compared to standard electric coils or gas. User experience. The digital control panel is intuitive with clear buttons and display, perfect for beginners or pros who want repeatable results. Safety features include automatic shut-off if no pan is detected, overheat protection, and child lock functions. Daily use and versatility. From boiling water and frying eggs to slow-cooking sauces and melting chocolate, the Flex Precision Induction Cooktop adapts to tasks with impressive accuracy. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the smooth ceramic top, just wipe with a damp cloth. Verdict. If you want a portable, energy-efficient cooktop with precise heat control, this is a solid pick, especially for small spaces or supplemental kitchen use. Drop a like if this helped you, and comment below with what you'd cook first on this induction cooktop.